Let's face it, scratches on your hardwood floors are unavoidable. Learn how to easily remove scratches and scuffs from your hardwood floors using a walnut. You'll need a couple of things to get started: a walnut and a soft cloth, like a washcloth. This hack will take you about 8 minutes. To start, grab a raw walnut. It should be removed from the shell. Be sure it's not candied, spiced, or cooked in any way. Rub the walnut over the scratch in the same direction as the wood grain. A few passes with the walnut should help to make the scratch disappear. Brush your fingers over the area, gently rubbing where the scratches were. A few times should do the trick. Let the scratched area sit for 5 minutes. This gives the walnut's natural oils some time to soak into the wood. You're almost done. Buff the area with a soft cloth, like a washcloth, and see how your scratches have disappeared. Well done! Enjoy your spiffy, scratch-free floors.